Have you ever wanted to invest in stocks but felt like it's too complicated? Well, today I'll simplify it for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start investing in stocks. Even if you're a beginner, even if you don't know how to invest, or you have been stuck and wondering where to begin, at least at the end of this video, it will guide you on how to start. My name is Jane Gitiche. I am the founder and CEO of Japesh Financial Solutions. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and share this video to someone you think or you know they might get value from my video in terms of in regards to stock investing. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to know is basically what is a stock, or let me define this jargon called stock. Investing in stock means buying a small piece of a company, that company that you admire. When you buy that company, you buy shares, and this company, when this company grows and makes profits, they will pay you dividends. So from shares we get dividends. Anytime that company makes profit, you also earn the profit in terms of dividends. So basically that's how that's all about stock investing. Like, imagine you have been admiring that telecommunication company, that big bank, and you would want to be part of them. And how do you do this? You do it by buying part of the company through the shares. I've defined what stock investing is. Now let's go to the steps that you need to take when investing in stocks. The first step is open a CDS account. What is a CDS account? It's basically like just a bank account, but in this case it's a central depository system account. And how do you open a CDS account? You can maybe open it through NSE, Nairobi Stock Exchange, or you can get a licensed stockbroker that can be able to help you open this CDS account. Or you can reach us out at any of our social media platforms at Japesh Financial Solutions, and we can guide you on how to open a CDS account. The second step that you need to do is you choose a stockbroker. If you don't want to have the hassles of investing in the stocks alone, you can have a stockbroker. A stockbroker helps you to buy and sell shares. You can Google some of the popular stockbrokers near you, and they will be able to buy for you the shares and sell for you the shares when need be. The third step that you need to do is research and choose the stock. If you went with the option of buying the stocks or buying the shares for yourself, do a lot of research and decide finally on which stocks to buy. Look for companies that are performing well and have the potential of growth. Like, for example, get one of the telecommunications companies that are doing well. Do a lot of research in terms of their growth for the past maybe 5 years and the forecasted growth, and decide, is this a good company that I want to be part of? Then when you decide, you just buy the shares. And the fourth step, which is the final step, is buy your first stock. We have already created a CDS account. We have already identified a stockbroker that we want to be trading with, and we have monitored and researched on the stocks, or rather the companies that we want to buy shares from. Then the final one is just buy your first stock. Decide how much you want to invest. You can start with even just 5,000. Place the order through your stock broker, or even if you're doing it for yourself, place the order through the website, and you just buy your first stock. Keep monitoring and growing your investment. Like I always say, if you want your shares to keep on growing or stocks to keep on growing, anytime you get dividend, instead of pocketing that dividend, just plow it back. And remember, when it comes to stocks and shares, it's all about long-term longevity of how your shares keep on increasing with time. Let's delving on the risks and tips when it comes to shares and when it comes to shares or stocks. The first thing that you need to do is diversify. Don't put all your money in one stock. Like, you identify this company is doing good and you want to just buy all your money in that one company. It's good to at least diversify. Make your portfolio, mix that portfolio, so that even if this one company doesn't perform well, this other one has performed well, so you won't get all your losses. One company will be able to pay higher dividends, the other company will be able to pay other dividends. So at least with that mix of portfolios, you're guaranteed not to risk all your money. Remember, if one company this year is making profits, the other one is break even. But if you had only you had only bought shares in just that one company that is on a break even point, you see, you will not earn any dividends. But diversifying them is the key. The second tip is think in a long term. People sometimes they just want to buy shares because they hear they have high returns and want to make money immediately. For shares, I always advise all my clients have the think in terms of long term. Stocks grow over time, so don't panic. When you see prices are going down for a company, don't rush to sell them. Give them time, and anytime you get dividends, plow it back to your shares. Think long term. That's the thing. Remember, shares is just not like as in I buy today, after 3 months I want to sell them, I want to make a lot of money. It's not the case. You can buy shares and they stay for quite a long time, and with that, that's the game that will be able to earn you more and more. Then the third tip is reinvest your dividends. Like I have explained, don't spend your dividends, keep on at least reinvesting them. And finally, stay updated. You can follow business news, you can follow company reports, you can follow Japesh YouTube, because we keep on giving all these financial tips and insights. Get updated in terms of keep yourself updated in terms of how companies are performing. You can even try to analyze their financial statements. And if you want guidance, especially on how to analyze a company and how a company is performing, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will guide you and we will help you to know how one can be able to analyze a company. So basically, that's all you need to understand when it comes to investing in stocks, especially if you're just a beginner. Like I always say, now that you understand how to invest in stock, what's preventing you not to start investing in stock? Remember, you can even start with just 5,000 shillings going on. All you need to do is open that CDS account. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please comment below. For any other insights, for any inquiries, please don't hesitate to reach us out on our social media platforms at Japesh Financial Solutions, or contact us through our WhatsApp or calling us at 0743 000 222. I'll repeat, 0743 000 222. Please share this video as much as you can. For more financial tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel.